Right, we've got to do 2 cuts across this bridge deck, and we're up at Harper Lane, Watford, near Radlett. So 2 cuts across there, across a railway bridge. These are all brand new curbs, so he's got to be really careful. He's putting the side plate on the top, very difficult. Goes down. .45mm deep for hot roll. We've got to do 2 cuts so the tarmac laying machine can get into the cut, so 1.8 metres minimum. There's the railway. There we go. There it is, finished. Easiest job all week. And now they're going to lay the tarmac back in. And